Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I install these really beautiful butterfly locks, definitely stay tuned to the rest of the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hey guys, so let's get started. So today I am going to be doing the rubber band method, and as you can see, I am parting my hair straight to the back. I'm just parting out a section as if I am about to cornrow my hair to the back, but instead I will be, like I said, doing the rubber band method, where you actually part out little box sections. And when you part out little box sections, you pretty much put each section into a rubber band. And when you put each section in a rubber band, you constantly do that throughout the whole section that you part out. And you just pretty much connect every piece of hair going backwards, if I explained that right. So yeah, so as you can see, I just finished putting this section in a rubber band, and I twisted the ends, and I am going to part out another section, a box section, and I will again put this section into a ponytail and connect the first section into this section, if I explained that correctly. But yeah, you guys, just pretty much just look at the video to see how I'm connecting them as I go along and add rubber bands to every section. And I like the rubber band method when you doing can't even talk. I like the rubber band method when you're doing crochet braids, because it's better than actually just cornrowing your hair straight to the back, because with this method you're able to part your sections, and when you put your crochets in, it looks like your crochet hair is individually parted. So that's why I like this method better than actually just cornrowing my hair straight to the back. Now guys, I am going to finish up with this method, and in the end I'll show you how it looked. But yeah, just continue to watch and see how I complete this rubber band method. Okay guys, so right now I am finishing up, and as you can see, there is the finished look of the rubber band method. So right now guys, here is the hair. The hair came from Amazon, and I will put everything down in the description bar. And the hair, the crochet hair that I'm using is butterfly locks. And pretty much all I'm doing, you guys, I am using the thread needle to thread the hair through, and it is a bigger needle than the smaller ones that they send you, because it's much easier to actually go through the rubber bands, putting them through the hair. So yeah, you guys, if you see any other videos of mine me crocheting, all I do is stick the needle through the hair, and I pull the hair through, and then I put the hair through the loop and just pretty much pull it tight. Like I said, I put the needle through the hair as I'm doing now, put the hair on the loop, close it, pull it through the hair, and then I take the loop and put the hair through the loop, and pretty much I pull it tight after that. And that's pretty much it, what I do for my crochet. And I go down through the whole parting, and mainly through the rubber bands so that I can hide the rubber bands, and I put a crochet where every rubber band is at. Okay guys, so right now we are finishing up with adding all our crochet hairs. Yeah, I'm pretty much almost done. Once I'm done, I am going to go back in with the Eco Styling Gel and create my baby hairs. Yeah, and once I'm done creating my baby hairs, you guys, then I'm going to style these butterfly locks. Now guys, I didn't show where I actually oiled my hair down. I did use some Infinity Growth Oil on my scalp. I actually did that before I began to crochet my hair in. But anyway, I'll still put it down in the description bar if you guys want to purchase that. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with my baby hairs and I'll be back, you guys. Okay guys, so now that I am done with the baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and style my crochet butterfly locks. So all I'm pretty much doing is just putting the top into a bun, and as you guys can see, you see why I like to do the rubber band method, because it seems as if I have individual parts in my crochet braids. So that's why I love doing that method, because it makes it look so realistic. But yeah, you guys, I really did love this crochet hair. They were really soft, they were not heavy at all, and I just like the texture of it and how good the butterfly locks looked in the crochet hair. But yeah, you guys, so here's the finished look once I had did my makeup and everything. But if you guys like this style and this hair, I'll definitely leave everything down in the description bar. But stay tuned to hear the rest of my thoughts. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another hair video of mine. I hope that you guys enjoy the way I installed my butterfly locks. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're not already joined to my family, please hit that subscribe button, and along with hitting that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. Again, I thank you guys for tuning in to another hair video of mine, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.